Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. Today I'm going to be playing around with the 39L palette from Morphe. This came out, I think, October, November time, and I absolutely loved the look of it. This is what it looks like inside. It's just so beautiful. Yeah, so it came out before Christmas, and I just loved the look of it, but it was £42. And I was like, for a Morphe palette, it's not collaboration kinda, and I just didn't want to pay £42 for a palette that I just liked the look of. But when I was in, where was I? Manchester, I popped into the Morphe store and it was just chilling on the shelf at £21, and I was like, at £21, I would be taking that home with me. So I got this for £21. Not too sure if it's still at £21, but it did go back up to £42. And then shortly after Christmas, it went back down to £21. So I ain't got a clue how much it is now. I am going to be focusing on the bottom. Did I just stick my finger in it? Okay. So, I'll be focusing on this bottom section here. The colours are just amazing and I can't wait to get stuck in. And these two glitters here, I'm going to actually swatch that silver one. Wow. You know what this reminds me of, which I hope it's the same formula. The Jeffree Star collaboration with Morphe, there was like a goldy green shade in there. I can't remember what it was called, but it feels the same, and I'm going to swatch it now. Oh, that didn't swatch good. Okay, well it's definitely not the same formula, because the Jeffree Star one swatched amazingly. I've gone ahead and done my base, and I'm actually using the Morphe Fluidity Foundation with the Morphe, is this called Fluidity as well? Matching concealer. The foundation is in shade F1.110 and the foundation is C1.15. I want to use as much colour as I can, so first I'm going to take this yellow one. And I'm just going to go all over the top. It's not as much pigment as I expected, but you can build it up. So I'm not getting a good enough pigment from that one that I was expecting, so I am going to take the green and follow the yellow round so it's more green on the like kind of smoking the green out. So I'm kind of liking that. I did expect the pigments to be more stronger. I don't know why. I'm going to swatch the yellow and the green just to see how it is on the swatch. I mean, like, they swatch there, but on the eyes, it's just not. Maybe I've got to build it up. So I'm going to try and build it up a bit. So it's worked a bit, but still not as much as I was hoping. So now I am going to take the... shall I take the pink or the blue? Well, I'm going to take the pink, which is this one here. So I've smoked it out now a bit underneath the eyes, and now I'm going to go in with the blue shade. And then take the blue underneath the inner corners opposite to the pink. So now I'm going to take this white translucent one. It's got like changes from white to blue. So I'm just going to take that on the inner corner. So now I'm going to take that silver glitter I showed you to start and pull it over the lid. See how well it works. So that's what it looks like on the brush. Now let's see if it looks what it looks like on the eye. Ooh, that's pretty. But surprisingly, it's going on quite easy with a brush. Now, I'm putting it on the lid, but I'm putting it just below the pink and the blue so you can still see the line underneath. So the shade I put in the corners, I'm going to put a bit more but go heavier on the blue where I put the blue. So now I've done that, I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and just blend out any harsh lines. Actually, I'm going to add a bit of the yellow onto it, just so it helps it all blend. So now with the shimmer I'll put into the inner corners, I'm going to take that and put it underneath the brow bone, that's what I'm trying to say. I'm going to go in with mascara, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution, the mascara. And can we just talk about this for a second? This used to be the only one that they used, Revolution had, the only mascara. Like there used to be only one on the market. And then about a month ago, they decided to bring out 6 at once. I'm like, whoa, talk about an increase of products. So mascara is done, so I'm going to take a blush. It's not a Morphe one, so, but I'm going to take a Primark one and my shimmery I Heart Revolution one. So one down, one to go. So highlighter, I bought this a while back, but I completely forgot I had it. This is the Desi Danger collaboration. I'm sorry Desi, ain't got a clue who you are, but I like the colour. So that's what the packaging looks like. The Desi is kind of goldy shimmery. And then that is the purple highlighter. So I'm going to take a bit. Ooh, that's nice. Subtle, but it's got a bit of a kick to it. I am really liking this. It's kind of like a, I don't know how you describe it. So highlighter is done. I'm quite impressed with that. I think this was £12 or £15. So kind of expensive compared to normal highlighters, but I am liking it. So I'm just going to go in with a spray. The spray I'm using is actually the Makeup Obsession one I got in my last video. I am really liking it, it's just amazing. So I'm nearly complete. I'm just going to go in with my lips, and I ain't got a clue what colour I'm going to pick out. Should I go for a nude? So I'm going to go in with a red, and I'm going to go in with the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star collaboration in shade Are You Filming? And yes I am. So red lip is done, and I'm loving it. Although I love this lip, you cannot beat the red stunner lip from Fenty Beauty, which is in the shade Uncensored. That is just the perfect red for me. So yes, I am liking it. That palette, it started off a bit rocky with the pigments in the yellow and kind of the green. But other than that, I am loving it. The highlighter's great. And I just love the way it's all turned out, and that glitter, oh my god. It's going to be a bugger to get off though. So I'm just going to bring you in closer to have a quick look. So that is the final look, and I am loving it. It started off a bit rocky, but like with the first couple of shades, but I'm loving it. The glitter is amazing. I can't believe how well it's kept on there. So yes, this palette gets a thumbs up from me, and I just love this Colour Blast makeup look. That's what I'm going to call it, Colour Blast. So yes, please give me a big thumbs up. If you've got any of these products, let me know down below on your thoughts on what you think of them, and I shall see you all in my next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt, goodbye from Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.